Hey everyone, Jeff Snow here today to show you a new home improvement that you can do quick and easy for yourself without hiring anyone. We're going to replace the shower head. This shower head barely has any water coming out of it. I did take it off earlier and poured Clorox or bleach in it to see if I could get that to make it work better. It did not, so I remounted it until we found the right one to replace it. So now we're going to go ahead and show you how to replace it. So first I have thread tape. So that will keep the new one, and I'll show you how we wrap that up. Just need thread tape to do this project and adjustable wrench. That's really all you need. And then you go pick the shower head of your choice and replace that one with this one, and you'll be good to go. So we'll go into how to do that, and we'll get this job done. Okay, so now we're going to remove the shower head. Very simple. Just take the adjustable wrench, usually right on the top. You might not notice it normally, but there's two little flat spots right there. And all we're going to do is adjust our wrench, make sure we're good there, and then we're going to break it loose. Left. Always remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Break it loose and it should, and you can see the old thread tape here. So we'll take that off, and sometimes this will come off easy, sometimes not. Not the end of the world. So we're okay with that. So basically that is removed. So instead of trying to run this around, I'm just going to pull a little piece off, and it'll pull apart with your fingers. And sometimes it'll get together and make you mad, you know, but usually try to keep it flat. Whoa, and you slip in the shower. Drop the tape, like I said. No home project goes perfect, as you always know. So I don't try to be perfect on these videos. Just try to do them as realistic as possible. So this time we'll try not to slip. So basically that'll stick. And we'll wrap the thread. And we'll do one more little piece. You can kind of see the indentions the tape is making into the threads. Wrap it real good. Push it, mold it into the threads, which is great. So what that does is when the metal from the shower head and this metal get together, water can still leak through those even though you'll tighten them down. So what happens is this threaded tape acts like a seal inside those threads, and it generally is supposed to keep it from leaking on you. So that's where we're good there. Now we're going to grab the new shower head, and this one's a little different. Doesn't really have, because a lot of things are made more plastic than the metal, but this one here, and I didn't know that before I took it out of the package, but if I have to, I would just get a pair of pliers to reach around it. So now we're screwing that on. Pretty good. So, whoops. Have a pair of pliers with you, doesn't hurt, just as a backup in case that happens. I think that's working pretty good. And actually get a good grip on this one.
So how do people know how tight they need to go?
Get it as tight as you can.
Okay. You can't over tighten it?
Well, you can break anything. Actually, this is a little more plastic, so you can break it. So once you get it finger tight, or once it snugs, you'll know that's it. I think that's good, and I think we're going to try it out and see if it works. It should be good, and let's try not to get wet here. Hey, there we go. And how about that? Really that quick and simple. So within, what did it take us, 5 minutes to do this? It took us longer to go to the store and pick out, and actually I got lucky. That was the only one that matched this combination of the faucet and the everything else matches. So I got lucky there, and we like a little luck on home projects because we know they don't always go as planned. So stay tuned to some of the other videos I do, and good luck replacing that without hiring someone. Have a great day.